today's video, we're going to be here at SeaWorld Orlando. People have never been on it before, so it's a new feeling. So we're going on Manta. We're going up the lift hill right now. In just a moment, I'm going to turn this around. We're going to be facing out towards the front of the ride. We got front row. We're here today basically just to pick up our Howl O Scream tickets and express passes. But we're going to ride some rides and do some shows while we're here. So we're almost to the top. I'm going to turn you guys around. You're going to get the front row view of Manta. All right. All right. Good ride, huh? Told you your hair was gonna be a mess. We just had a blast over there in Manta. That was a good ride.
That was rough.
She got a little queasy afterwards, but I was fine.
Yeah, I was like, when we went to what, the pretzel?
Yeah, the pretzel loop. That thing's so intense. I love it though.
I love it too, but it was just like that. I haven't ridden it in a while.
Yeah. But now we're heading over to the annual pass holder lounge to get our Howl O Scream passes and our free quick queue for one house or one ride during Howl O Scream, which is awesome because that's like 20 bucks probably for just the one. And we're only paying $20 for each ticket. So, I mean, we're saving a lot of money today. And thank you, SeaWorld, for that. It's like, you go to Universal, no chance you're gonna get a deal like that. But while we're over here, we're on the bridge. We are gonna look over here at Icebreaker. It's gonna be opening in February. They haven't given an exact date in February, but, or no, not February.
I thought it was February.
It's either February or March. I can't remember.
I think it's February.
Okay, so Gwazi's opening in March. Iron Gwazi at Busch Gardens opening March. And Icebreaker will be opening in February of next year. And for sure, we will be here for opening day to ride that. Yes. We cannot wait. It looks amazing. But we're gonna keep heading over to the pass holder lounge, right, honey?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna head over there. We're gonna pick up our passes. And if the line's not long, it's gonna be time to do some all right, so Infinity Falls. Over at Wild Arctic first. We wanna show you guys something. I know you've probably seen it in other update videos and stuff, but you get your goosebumps seeing it. But it smells like Howl O Scream in here, and look. Oh, I can't wait. Wish we could get a peek. Ooh, I see stuff on the ground. Ice. Yeah, that's gonna be awesome. I can't wait. But since we're over here, let's go see if the belugas are out. It smells like fish in here really badly, so.
Right there.
Yeah, right there, it smelled like Halloween. Like, if you've ever been to Halloween Horror Nights or Howl O Scream, you walking to a house on opening night, you know that smell. That's the smell we just smelled over there. I'm so excited, I can't wait. Just under 2 weeks until opening night.
I'm actually excited for this.
Yeah, oh look, the belugas are out. So there's just one out right now.
So cute.
Yeah, there he is. Oh, there's two. Okay, perfect.
Yay.
All right, we're gonna walk around and we'll catch up with you guys in a second.
Looking for.
He's playing with an ice cube. So they were just doing the cutest thing. They were literally just randomly swimming around, spinning in circles. Ah, they're with a trainer. That's why. Okay.
It was so cute.
We're over with the sea lions, and all of a sudden they started doing different things. I was like, what are they doing? But they're with a trainer. That's why. So let's see if they do anything next. There we go. I'm gonna try to block out some of the upper lighting. All right, let's see what they do now.
I don't know, or they could be done.
Could be. Here comes this one again.
So cute.
Here. All right, so our first Howl O Scream area. This is for the bayou. You can see they got plywood up in the door. So that will be opened up on the 10th.
Oh, that's fine.
No trespassing. We're tired of hiding the bodies. I love that. I need that for my front yard. And then over there you got another one. That one actually has the gators in the window. Over there, right on the other side of the blue wall. That's gonna be our house.
Which one is this?
This is the bayou themed house.
Yay! I love like that theme.
Yeah.
Especially at Horror Nights. So
Yeah, when they did the Bloodwater Bayou, I think it was, at Halloween Horror Nights, it was awesome. But yeah, you can see some of the props. It's indoor and outdoor, which is awesome.
that's awesome.
I can't wait. I think this is gonna be my favorite house. Either this or
I love like all
the
things,
Beneath the Ice. I think that's gonna be a good one
I
too.
love all things Bayou.
But let's head inside. They got actually right inside a big mural. Yeah, see? And this is gonna be where you enter the house.
Oh, you're coming here and then.
Yep, I think that's the entrance into the house, or it's gonna be in the passenger lounge area. Howl O Scream tickets are in hand, so Friday the 10th we will be here. Yes. We're gonna do Howl O Scream, and we are hopefully gonna be able to film in the houses. I'd love that.
Hopefully, but, you see me screaming my butt off.
So yeah, we're gonna be here on the 10th. The video will be out by the 11th. All right, so here's the other facade, and they have like the vision gator things. He pokes his head right on out. I love that. And then beware of alligators. Please do not feed the wildlife. Now, what would be great is if they put a scare actor right there.
All right.
That would be great. Yeah. I think this is going to be my favorite scare zone, or the campsite scare zone. Yes. We're going to go over there here in just a little bit. We're actually going to walk around. We had a free complimentary drink for the beer festival, so we're going to get a drink. And then, yeah, with the raindrop. But yeah, as soon as right after that, we are going to see if we can get on Journey to Atlantis maybe. And then food, and then we're just gonna walk around and get some of the scare zones, and if we can see any house construction, we're gonna get that for you guys too. If you watch Midway Mayhem, you would know, but I like how he calls them the pink chickens. So I'm gonna say that the pink chickens are finally back open. But that's stealing from him. I'm not gonna do that. The flamingo paddle boats are back open here at SeaWorld. But if you look across over there, there's an RV park there. That is like a campsite type scare zone. I'm very excited for that one. I love the campy type scare zones. But we're gonna head over there here in a little bit and get some footage there. But we're gonna head over towards Manta. I'm stopping here at the Jack Daniel's Whiskey Hut. I'm gonna get Tennessee Apple Fizz. 7% alcohol. Sounds good to me.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Oh, sorry.
All right, Tennessee Apple. So now we're over here by Shark's Underwater Grill. This is going to be a scare zone. I believe this is going to be the Pirates scare zone. I don't know where the pirate house is going to be. Most likely back in here. I'm guessing. Yeah, it's like they're going to have like sheets hanging from a wire.
Or something like that.
And there's a little stage area. But I have a feeling, if anything, the house is going to be either back here or it's going to be backstage.
Maybe.
Oh, look, Cigar City snacks. Let's go check out and see what this is. Well, all right, we're gonna check out another stand, and then we'll be back. This is amazing. It's kind of like a beer, but it's whiskey. I like it. Got a little rain in it. It started raining, so we're outside Voyagers, just chilling. This one wants to go, let's see.
I haven't used mine yet, so.
Yeah, she hasn't used her sample yet, but she wants to go to number 6, which is Funky Buddha Brewing Company. This doesn't show the drinks really, but it just shows the food, which is kind of weird because it's the craft beer festival, but it's only showing the food in the menu. I don't get that.
I don't either.
We're gonna sit kaput here for a few minutes and wait for the rain. Yeah. Hot. You know, it's funny, I just realized I'm probably not gonna be able to use this because copyright. So we'll see. If I get copyright, I won't use this clip. The patty cans. So yeah, the guy told us we couldn't film on the ride, which I know we can because I've done it before with the same setup I have right now.
Yeah. So
I don't know what was up with that. So we don't have any ride footage of Journey to Atlantis, which was the sole purpose of going on it, was to get footage for you guys.
I'm so scared.
But yeah, we're gonna go check out the penguins now and freeze. It's good because last time we were in here on the 4th, it was dark.
So bad.
This guy right here is molting. The rest of them sleeping up there. So look, the one right there trying to climb up on the rock, that's one of the babies that was born, I think July 1st or 2nd. He's getting it. Get up there, buddy.
You can do it. Come on. Oh,
Oh,
no.
almost. Don't give up.
Oh, I know.
Oh.
Wait, no, you dropped it. No.
Yeah. Give him one. Good catch.
Oh. Hi, buddy.
What do you say? Tell me. There you go.
Now it's George's turn to feed these little crazies.
Oh,
This one's being a brat. Oh, look, babe. What?
Going deep.
Look at this baby. Hi. You gotta feed that little. Yeah, this one's just being so cute. Hi. Hi, don't be rude.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
Oh.
You thief! Yeah, you should be ashamed of your friend.
He's like, no.
Now we're over by Shamu Stadium. On the backside, there's the Dine with Shamu, or sorry, Dine with Orcas. But this is another scare zone. This is like the camper site scare zone that I'm super excited. But it's funny that they use that. You know what that really is?
Huh.
That's like a porta potty. You can go in there and use the bathroom and have privacy. Yeah, like a little picnic.
I'm sorry.
So look, they have a little picnic set up. I think this is gonna be a good one. Yeah.
It's like
It's a Yeti.
Yeah.
And then you got the RV.
Like the.
Yeah, all the camping bags. Oh look, you wanna go kayaking?
Sure, let's go. I like that.
That's a small little scare zone, but it'll be nice once they have the Yetis out here.
Oh yeah.
A little picnic table set up.
I like this. Look, there's like another.
Yep. Another little canoe. Yeah.
It's awesome.
Canoe and a kayak or a hammock. That's funny. That's a canoe I've got. All right, so we're all done here today at SeaWorld. We did Manta and Journey to Atlantis, but the guy wouldn't let us film on Journey to Atlantis, which is odd because I filmed exactly with what I have in my hand right now before on the ride, and it was okay, but now they say it's not okay.
I don't know.
But I don't care, it's not gonna bother me. We're done for the day, we're heading back home.
It was a fun day.
Yeah, it was.
Seeing all the props too.
Yeah, seeing all the scare zone props and seeing some of the houses getting built is cool. But we're gonna be back on Friday the 10th, which is a little over a week and a half. And we'll be here for a full day plus Howl O Scream.
Fun.
So we'll check you guys out then. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, no, 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 hey, no, no, no.